Alright, so I'm at this military installation again in LFT 926. Last time I came here, I got blown to bits by some Federal Navy ships for some reason. I'm not wanted or anything. I'm thinking maybe they just don't like it if you get too close to the middle. So I don't know. So I'm going to take a look here and see what the trigger was and get blown up again. But I think I was just getting too close to something they didn't want me to get close to. I don't know if it's inside this bar structure ticks them off or what. And if you're just wondering what it looks like, there's some video here for you. This would be a good time to have a 3-screen or a VR. I have 3-screen, but not the VR type. Alright, let's go back inside and see what ticked them off. I'm just gonna fly through the edge and watch the comms. I looked at the video last time and didn't see anything. All I saw was that federal ship saying, "Oh, I live for this," and then it was dead. So usually you get a warning or something saying, "Stay away, you're getting too close." Not that time. Some ships flying. Yeah, see? Just start shooting for no reason.
Trajectory disruption. Data damage. Canopy compromised. Eject. Canopy critical. Eject.
So you can go there and you can look from the outside or from afar, but for some reason they don't like when you get too close, and you're not going to get a warning, you're just going to get sliced and diced. Weird.